In the heart of an ancient woodland, a busy hare finds its day interrupted by a badger, whose need to belittle casts a shadow over everyone. The other animals watch, but fear of becoming the next target prevents them from intervening, all except a humble hedgehog bristling with resolve. The badger gets a clear signal to back off from bullying. The hedgehog's decisive action ignites sparks of courage amongst the bystanders. The hare grows in confidence, and as the badger's tough facade crumbles, it makes an embarrassed retreat. The whole community can now rest a little easier, knowing bullying will not be tolerated. Active bystanding. How could you tackle bullying and harassment by being a better ally?